Welcome to Integrative Medicine Perspective. I'm Dr. Wenli Liu. When setting weight loss goals, views of success can vary greatly from person to person. Some aim to lose weight to address metabolic issues like high blood pressure, high fat levels, and high sugar levels, while others pursue specific target numbers on the scale. In fact, even in clinical practice, there's no consensus on the definition of successful weight loss. Is a 5% or 10% reduction in weight considered successful? Or must one achieve a normal body mass index to be deemed successful? In weight loss research, quantitative markers of weight loss success vary, but there is a common consensus regarding the qualitative aspect. That is, successful weight loss includes both weight reduction and maintenance. However, weight loss maintenance is far more difficult than the initial weight reduction. In this context, there are certain psychological traits common among successful weight loss individuals that are worth exploring. These psychological traits include one, clear and persistent intrinsic motivation. This implies that the desire to lose weight is not a momentary impulse, but a persistent drive throughout the entire journey of healthy weight loss. This motivation does not waver in the face of challenges and does not easily dissipate. Challenges and setbacks occur often during the weight loss process, but with this firm intrinsic motivation, the likelihood of achieving weight loss goals increases and the results are more likely to be long-lasting. Second, self-awareness and self-reflection. This involves holding oneself accountable during the weight loss process, including self-monitoring and self-evaluation, regularly tracking weight, keeping dietary records, and adhering to exercise routine while periodically assessing the effectiveness of weight loss strategies and making necessary adjustments are all important practices during the weight loss process. And number three, balanced internal locus of control. Unlike an external locus of control, which attributes outcomes to luck or external influences, an internal locus of control believes in one's ability to influence outcomes of life's challenges. But this internal locus of control needs to be balanced and inclusive. It does not solely rely on self-effort, but integrates external support to achieve optimal results. And number four, autonomy and self-confidence. Autonomy means self-management and taking responsibilities for outcomes, while self-confidence entails maintaining an optimistic attitude about one's ability to achieve positive outcomes and viewing setbacks as temporary. During the weight loss process, most individuals, if not everyone, may encounter temptations to choose unhealthy foods, increase calorie intake, or slacken exercise efforts, and as a result, experience weight regain. But solid ability of autonomy and self-confidence will help individuals readjust their course and get back on track when facing, more than likely, frequent temptations during their weight loss journeys. The psychological traits for successful weight loss are not limited to those just mentioned. These traits are proactive psychological efforts that highlight why weight loss is not only a physical but also a psychological challenge. Therefore, as healthcare professionals, in addition to collaborating with clients on specific weight loss steps, we should also focus on building positive psychological characteristics to support our clients effectively in their weight loss journeys. That's all for today's discussion. Please leave comments and questions. I will see you next time.